Welcome Daipi Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wonder if there's a point where AI gets so good, we can't even tell the difference anymore? Forget sci-fi for a second. We're talking about real limits, boundaries that might just reshape how we compete with these massive models. Let's dive in. So, what are these ceilings? Think of them like walls stopping our climb. First, the hard ceiling: physics and money. You can't train an AI on infinite energy or build servers out of thin air. Then the soft ceiling: data runs dry, algorithms hit diminishing returns, and keeping things aligned gets ridiculously complex. Finally, the governance ceiling: when an AI gets too powerful, organizations freak out and say, nope, not deploying that. It's not just about can it do it, but should we let it? The math here is crucial. If a model's capability Q male exceeds gamma times what a group G can actually test, that dimension becomes relatively closed for them. They stop trying to poke it further because it's too expensive or risky. Now let's talk about the real game changer: the indistinguishability boundary. This is where things get sneaky. Imagine two AIs, one slightly better than the other. But the people using them, group G, can only afford to run so many tests, n test of G. If the actual difference delta between the models is the smallest difference they can reliably detect, delta min, guess what? They can't tell them apart. It's not that the models are identical, just that the gap is statistically invisible within their budget. Suddenly, bragging rights about raw intelligence don't matter as much. What matters is who offers a system that's cheaper, faster, more stable, and verifiable. The competition shifts from a race to the smartest to a race to the most trustworthy platform. So how does this play out over time? In the next few years, expect this boundary to pop up first in areas like handling long documents, writing, and answering common questions. Users won't care as much about tiny accuracy gains. They'll care about cost, speed, and reliability. For researchers and security teams, the boundary isn't gone, but it moves. They'll focus less on pure IQ and more on verifiability. Can you reproduce the experiment? Is it robust against attacks? Can you roll back if something goes wrong? Looking further ahead, if things keep scaling, the big prize might be building the truth infrastructure, the tools and processes to audit, certify, and hold AI accountable. The whole game fundamentally changes from who's the smartest to who's the most trustworthy and provably useful. Here's the bottom line: AI competition isn't a simple straight line. There are physical limits, technical plateaus, and this fascinating boundary where differences become invisible due to verification costs. The future belongs to those who can package powerful AI into systems that are not just capable, but demonstrably safe, reliable, and compliant. That's the shift. Now go build something amazing, and make sure everyone can see why it's awesome.